Hi everyone, just want to say thank you for subscribing, liking and all that kind of stuff. You're probably thinking, why is this guy doing videos right now? Well, it's lockdown, as you've just seen. My business, I'm a barber by trade, I've had to close it down. So I thought, you know what, let's do something. Maybe we can motivate people, show people different things. At the moment, obviously, I've done quite a bit of like Supreme stuff. The reason for that is I really love the brand. I think it's a really cool brand. Kind of hard to get hold of some of the stuff that they do when it's available for sale. So I thought I'll share some stuff like that. Also, loads of other stuff planned, like car reviews, food reviews after Ramzan maybe, and lots of other stuff. At the moment, I'm literally just using my iPhone 11 Pro. I've literally just pressed the button, started recording. I'm not using any editing tools. I've not actually looked at any editing videos. Inshallah, I hope I can get some new cameras and all that kind of stuff, just see how it goes. But like I said, the main thing is at the moment, I just want you to know why I'm doing what I'm doing. I hope this can motivate people, especially young guns, to let you know, like, yeah, you can do whatever you want in life. Do you know what I mean? There's a lot of good things. We've been blessed with such a beautiful life and so many opportunities to do different things. So enjoy yourselves. Do you know what I mean? It's lockdown. It's a strange time. It's a really strange time. But you know, we're all blessed. Stay in the best of health. And like I said, let us know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. Hopefully we can grow our channel. Let's see. Yeah, so for now, enjoy another unboxing video of my Supreme cups. And I think they're quite cool. Hopefully you'll agree. Give it a like and all that kind of stuff. Ciao.